Okay, secret number 2. You don't need to know how to code anymore. That's awesome. That's why I can teach this now. Back when I started, I had to learn how to code, and it was a ton of work, and it was really hard. And I did it. I enjoyed it, kind of. I'm kind of a geek like that. But you don't have to anymore, and that's what's exciting because I think that's been a barrier to entry for a long, long time. And you don't have to know. There's so much software available now that I can show you exactly what to use and how to do it. What you really need to know is the principles of web design and web development and how content and search engine optimization and design all work together to accomplish the goals of your client. That's what this is about. That's what building websites is about nowadays. It's about accomplishing the goals and getting results for your clients. That's what matters. So, great news. Secret number 2 is awesome. You don't need to know how to code. And I'm going to show you how and why on the webinar. So, make sure you attend. Also, click the button and I'm going to tell you about secret number 3. These sneak peeks are fun, huh? I think so.